Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. So all that we have done for ratio and proportion and unitary method, you can find under the playlist Class 6 Maths Ratio and Proportion. I'm going to attach in this particular video whatever we have discussed for unitary method and the associated exercise 10C in the description of this particular video. In this video, we are going to start with exercise 10D. Some of the questions are very easy. Some of the questions you might find difficult. We will attempt all of those and understand how to solve these questions. But for that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Siddhi Academics. So let's start.
Let's start with question number 1. I always choose question number 1 whenever I'm starting a new exercise because it just feels right to choose the question number 1, not to leave it out. So this question, and I've chosen few of the questions. If those questions which I'm not doing, if are finding it difficult, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video for those questions. So the ratio 92 is to 115. We have to convert it into its simplest form and choose the correct option out of this. Now 92 and the number is 115. There is no common factor to cancel out from both of them, but because one factor of this number is 2 and the factor of 115 is 5. So what to do? Prime factorize the number whichever you find it easy. Suppose 92 you find it easy to prime factorize 92. So it will become 2, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, so it will become 2 6 are 12. Then again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. See 23, there is a prime number which is a factor of 92. You need to check if 23 is also a factor of 115. If that is the factor, then that is the only common factor between 92 and 115. Otherwise, any other number does not look like a common factor. Between at least it doesn't look like to have a common factor other than that. So 23, if you multiply 5 with it, what it will become? It will become 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 that carried over 1. It will become 115. So common factor is, we get to know that it's a prime factor 23. So 23 4s are 92 and 23 5s are 95. So what did we get after removing the after removing the common factor? 4 is to 5. So the answer for question number 1 is D option. Okay, D option, 4 is to 5. Let's move to the next question. Okay, I have chosen the next question as question number 5. That question says, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then choose the correct option. So let's write the proportion first. A is to B is as C is to D. Now, what are the extremes here? A and D. And what are the means here? B and C. So here, if we want to bring and check if one of the forms is correct or not, then we should do product of means equal to product of extremes. We know this already. So AD is product of extremes, right? So AD will be product of extremes. I'm just writing for better clarification for all those who have not actually seen the video, other videos, previous videos. They're coming directly to watch this video. So AD is equal to product of extremes and BC is product of means, and both are equal according to proportion definition. So AD equal to BC will be the correct answer. Let's see here. B option is that AD equal to BC. So answer for question number 5 is AD equal to BC. Let's move to the next question. Let's do question number 7 next. Choose the correct statement. Option A is 5 is to 8 is greater than 3 is to 4. B is 5 is to 8 is less than 3 is to 4. And C option says two ratios cannot be compared. Of course, two ratios can be compared. C is ruled out from the very beginning, because just like we have got equivalent fractions, we can compare, we can bring these two ratios into equivalent ratio form and then check which one is bigger ratio. So 5 is to 8, I can write like this, 5 by 8. Similarly, 3:4 also I can write in the form of this fraction 3/4. Now I will find out the LCM and make the denominator common. Just the same thing that we do while checking out which fraction is greater. So if see 4 and 8, 4 is a factor of 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8. Without doing in this method 4 comma 8, if I can do like this for those kind of LCM for two numbers where one number is a factor of the other number and the other number is definitely that's why bigger, so that will be the LCM. If you this is a very shortcut method. If you want to still verify, let's do that. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 here. So what, sorry, this will be again 1 here. So 1, so LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So right, without doing this long cut method, we can do it this way. LCM can be 8. So 5 by 8 is here. Now here I have to make similarly the denominator here 8. So what will I multiply? 2 here in the denominator and also 2 in the numerator. It will become 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. 6 by 8. Now which is bigger, 5 by 8 or 6 by 8? Definitely 6 by 8 is the bigger one. So 3:4 is greater than 5:8. Now which option is correct now? Obviously A option. So answer for question number 7, correct option is A. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to question number 10. The question says that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1:3:5 and its perimeter is 90 centimeter. Now the length of its largest side is, options have been given. Now in such kind of questions, what we should do, let's take the smallest side of the triangle be x centimeter. So which is the smallest side? 1, right? Ratio that's given, ratio of sides that's given is equal to 1:3:5. So if this is x, okay, smallest side is x, then what will the next side become? 3x definitely, and the longest side will become 5x. Okay, so ratio perimeter has been given to us. Now to find perimeter, what do? We add all the sides. In case of a triangle, so let's add x plus 3x plus 5x. This will give us the perimeter of the triangle when we add up all the sides. That value has given 90 centimeter. Now here the coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 3, we need to add all the coefficients here. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it becomes 9x, 9 equal to 90. So x will be equal to 90. Here 9 is multiplied, means if it comes to the other side, it will get divided. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 tens are 90. So therefore, okay, x is equal to 10 centimeter. So smallest side we found out, it's 10 centimeter. Now largest side will be 5x according to the ratio. So it is 50 centimeter. 5 into 10 is 50. Let's see which option is correct. Option B. So answer for question number 10 is option B. So let's move to the next question.
Let's start with question number 11. Question number 11 says the ratio of boys and girls in a school is 12:5. If the number of girls is 840, the total strength of the school is how much? We need to find out from the options. Now we know the ratio of boys to girls, that is 12:5. Now can we not find out sum of the ratio terms? One ratio term is 12, the other ratio term is 5. So for sum, we will add them up. 12 plus 5 will be equal to 7. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Okay. So now 5 is the ratio term for the girls. So 5 by 17 of the total number of students in the school is equal to, it's given to us how much it is. 5 by 17 of total number of students is what? The strength of the girls, means the total number of girls in the school, studying in the school. So that is equal to 840.
So I can equate like this: 5 by 17 of the total number of students is equal to 840. Now to find the total number of students, what will I do? See here, if there is an off statement, remember off has significance in maths. Off means multiplication. Keep this in your mind. So if I am trying to find total number of students, I have to I have to transpose 5 by 17 to the other side, right? So if I transpose 5 by 17 to the other side, what it will become? It will get divided. 840 divided by 5 by 17. So 840, it will become a reciprocal, multiplied by 17 by 5. Let's do this. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 34. 5 6 are 30. 34 minus 30 is again 4. 4 0 40. So it is 5 8s are 40. So we need to multiply 168 with 17 to find the total number of students or total strength of the school. 7 8s are 56. 5 got carried over. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 is 47, and then 4 got carried over. 7 1s are 7. That will become 7 plus 4 will become 11. Now 168. Here there is 1. 168 multiplied with 1 will give us again 168. So we add all this up. 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 gets carried over. 6 plus 2, it will be 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer, the total number of students in the school, boys plus girls, is 2856. So let's see which option is the answer. C option. So answer for question number 11 is option C.